I'm coming back to you with a hair tutorial. Now, don't mind that I'm looking crusty dusty. I'm having a little brick eye issue, but I'm getting a facial soon, so hopefully that helps. So this tutorial is mainly when I'm in a rush, I don't have time to do my full twist out routine, I don't have time to blow dry my hair, I just need to look presentable after I've washed my hair. So I've already washed my hair. I did not deep condition because this style is like a 2-in-1. So I'm going to use Aussie Moist and the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Mask on my hair, putting in these 2 ponytails and go to work, do what I gotta do throughout the day, and then when I come back home at night, I'll rinse it out in style. If you guys want to see a twist out routine, let me know. Like, I've mastered a twist out. Like, I'm pretty happy with myself, and I only use 3 products, so let's get it. So stay tuned if you want to continue to see my video. Okay, first things first, I'm the realist. It's like, no. Okay, so what you'll need is wide tooth comb, a hairbrush, 2 hair ties, your conditioners of choice or conditioner of choice. I usually use 1, but I'm just gonna finish this out and this because I only have a little bit left, and rubber bands. So what you want to do is, my hair is still, no, it's damp, it dried a little bit. You want to do this on damp hair. So you're going to take out each section, and I'm going to work on the entire half of the hair first, and then this entire half, because we're putting it in 2 low ponytails. So this is my hair without any product in it. What I like to do is take some Aussie Moist, this much, and I'm going to rub it on the section like so. Okay. And that is like, conditioner makes the curls pop, sis. And that is basically like a base for me to start detangling with my white tooth comb. And then I detangle. My hair is pretty detangled from the shower anyway, so it's not like a lot to it. Okay. And also, I like just keep a towel nearby so I can wipe my hands and stuff. Then I go in with my hair mask, and I'm going to use, it smells so good, a decent amount of the stuff on each section. Now mind you, this stuff is going to be rinsed out, so yeah, it's okay if you go a little ham and all that jazz. You want to make sure you get all the parts of your hair, rake it in, smooth it in, get underneath, get the top, and don't forget the ends. Now, I've never done a wash and go because I just think it will never turn out right for me. That's that. So as you can see, curls are slightly defined. Now, since I have my conditioners in this section, I might put a little bit more on the ends, in all honesty. They look a little, maybe more TLC. Don't put too much conditioner in your hair, because you'll see when we put the rubber bands on it, because this is going to be a banded ponytail, the conditioner is just going to like squish out, and that might not look cute if you're going to public. So now what I'm doing is twisting it up and putting it back, and then I'll come back to you when all the conditioner and all my hair is detangled, and I'll show you the next. All right, I'm back. deep conditioners in my hair. I would say another tip that I forgot to tell you guys is to have a spray bottle nearby. My hair was getting a little too dry. I personally like to work on like damp hair, and it's just better for the deep conditioner to penetrate your hair when it is damp. Does that make sense? So I have to spray a little bit. I'm gonna have to spray some while I'm putting my hair into the 2 ponytails. Ding! So for the next step, you're gonna need, of course, your comb, your brush, 2 hair ties, and rubber bands. So I'm going to take sections down. They're already detangled, so don't have to detangle. Just need to pick up the part, middle. Ooh. Yeah, it's getting a little dry. Just from moist there. Then I take my brush and sorry. My TV on. And I smooth my hair back into 2 ponytails. This being the first one, of course. Now, what you could do is you can add gel to make it lay. However, I don't want to do that because when I just wash my hair, it's clean. I'm deep conditioning, and I'm planning on washing this out ASAP. So, just do this. Now that my hair is in the ponytail, I'm gonna comb out this. Wait. Shed hair and dealing it. I'm gonna spray this a little bit more. Now comes the fun part, the bending. So I tend to use like 6 to 7 rubber bands. It just depends on the length of your hair and how big you want the bubbles to look. So I use the black rubber bands because my hair is black, and I don't double twist, like do it 2 times because I don't want the rubber band to be too tight on my hair, and I don't want it to break my hair off. So you see how I'm trying to separate it evenly with the bands. Also guys, this is a good method. Like, let's say you have washed your hair, you have deep conditioned your hair, and you put like all your leave-in conditioner and moisturizer and juice like that. This is a good method to stretch your hair without having to put heat on it. I used to do this all the time as well. Now at the bottom, I tend to double it because it gets a little thinner. I want it to be tight, but that's all preference, because throughout the day it will slide up and down if it's not tight. Just FYI. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, 7, like I said. I be knowing. I'll do another bubble right here. Now what you can do to make it a little more fat is pull this there, and the ends, I just like to twist the ends. Put a rubber band on it so it can dry a little bit, and then when I'm about to leave, ooh, too slippery, we'll just keep the little rubber band on it, and then when I'm about to leave, I'll take the twist out so it can be like curly at the ends. How cute. And now you have your funny thing. I'm gonna come back when I do this section because I just showed you this section, so it's kind of no point, right? Okay, BRB. Okay, so I'm back. This is in the ponytail. Let's just band this milfoil up. Again, put put them on there as you see fit. I never tried like the big band look. That's gonna look a little weird, right? Maybe I'll try it one of these days. But don't come for me if I look a little crazy. Because we are experimenting. Yes, she is. I keep on forgetting that I'm watching TV when I pause. So let me turn it down. Sorry. And also, I try to like keep the same bands on the same space within the ponytail, so it looks kind of even. Put a little bit more conditioner on this because this was a little dry. Okay, I feel a lot better. We don't want no dry hair. 8. And then here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 more. I don't know. It works, right? Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Need one more. Anyway. Oop, bullets are a little fat. Fat. And then we're going to twist the ends. I'm not going to say twist it. See how this is unraveling over already? Whatever. And voila. Now for added moisture, which I do like to do, is I'll take oil of choice and I'll just put it on top of my hair, down my hair shaft, down my ends, and all that good stuff. You don't want to drown it in oil because 1, your deep conditioner should moisturize your hair, and 2, you won't wash it out. So that's that. And that's the hairstyle. I'm most likely gonna rock this with a bucket hat, so it'll be cute. If you guys like this tutorial, let me know. If you try it out, let me know. I've been doing this for like 2 years. Just decided to share. So if you see me in the streets like this, just know your baby girl deep conditioning all her problems away. So comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Adios. Sayonara. Have a beautiful day, beautiful people.